2021 has been a tale of two pandemics, one in the global north where recovery became possible with the widespread delivery of vaccines, and one in the global south where lockdowns have hit poorer economies harder with vaccines in much shorter supply and the virus allowed to circulate more freely. The result by year end, a variant that threatens to turn the whole world back to square one.
There's an overwhelming need for urgency to ensure that vaccine supplies are immediately diverted and sent to countries in Africa that are desperately waiting for sufficient supplies of vaccines that are not about to expire.
Campaigners talk of empty promises and of vast profits being put before lives, like here in Germany, where the startup BioNTech, partnered with the American pharmaceuticals firm Pfizer, expects to have made $18 billion in 2021, with much more to come. That's 0.5% of growth added to Germany's bottom line from just one company, thanks to the domestic production of vaccines and sales to rich countries, while just 7% of the whole continent of Africa have so far been vaccinated.
If there is one thing we have learned, it's that no region, no country, no community, and no individual is safe until we are all safe.
The arrival of the Omicron variant should be a wake-up call that things need to change. But will they?
Let's not lose hope and put a lot of pressure on governments so that they change their position and that they realize actually now with Omicron that this is also going to last forever for Germany, because there's going to be new variants, there needs to be new vaccines, there needs to be new booster shots for forever if we don't just stop this pandemic everywhere.
100 countries have joined a call for vaccine patents to be temporarily waived so that developing countries can produce their own. Britain and Germany are among those firmly opposed, with the G7 instead pledging to donate 1 billion vaccine doses to the developing world, a pledge that has not yet been met. So as the world battles the Omicron variant, or the next one that comes along, it becomes clear that those vast profits are secure, while the health of the least well-off remains at risk, and the pandemic looks set to roll on unhindered into 2022 and beyond. JONAH, Al Jazeera, Berlin.